I really like putting the media mod on my GoPro, but the problem with my GoPro is it overheats a lot. And then the best solution I found to fix the overheating problem is to change the batteries. So I got this dual pack of extra batteries here, but it can be a real pain to get in here and change the battery because you got to take it out of the media mod to access your battery. And I really like to have my GoPro on a tripod. I got this really nice tripod right here, this K&F Concepts tripod, and it's got a quick release on here. And I got this adapter to connect to my GoPro. So I can just put this on here like this and just screw that on there really quick so that I got my GoPro connector right there. But the problem with this connector is that it's a really tight fit on here. So when I go to put it in here, the connector that it came with is not very long. And so once you screw it in there, it's hard to get in there with my fingers to loosen and tighten this up here. And it can be a real pain if you have to take this off a few times while you're filming in order to change the batteries. So I got these this 2-pack of these little connectors here. These connectors are pretty nice. It even comes with a little wrench, and you can see the difference in the size there between the one that comes with the connector and the ones that I bought there. They're a lot longer. I even put a little nut on this one right here to try and make it come out a little bit further, but that didn't really help. But with this adapter here, let me go ahead and show you how nice this is. I can just put my GoPro on the connector there, and then when I go to screw this in here, it's got plenty of room to screw it in there with my fingers there like that. And then once you get it in there, it is kind of hard to tighten up, and this is the part I had trouble with on my old connector. But with this one having the wrench there, there's plenty of room that you can get in there and you can tighten this down a little bit. So now the GoPro's in there really solid and it's not moving around. And then when you're ready to take it off, to get in there and change your battery, you can just unscrew it like that, loosens right up. And then with just a few turns there, it comes right off. How nice is that? Yeah, this is a pretty nice little set right here. And this little extra battery pack's really nice too. You get these 2 batteries here. It's a great solution if your GoPro's overheating. And this media mod's great. I really like this thing because you got a way here. You can charge your batteries in it if you need to, or you can connect to your computer to transfer your files. And then it's got this thing right here. You can connect a wireless mic to it, like this mic that I got right here. You can connect that to the back of it. It also has a built-in mic on the media mod with the nice cover there to protect it from the wind. I got the tripod there with the quick release connector right there. And then I got the GoPro to tripod connector there. And then I got these adapters here that'll make it a little bit longer. I got my media mod and I got my extra pack of batteries. This thing also comes with a little lanyard there, and there are some little nuts that go on the end of that, but I didn't need the nuts because this particular one, it has a slat in there that I can screw into right there, so I didn't need the nut, so I just put it in a little bag there to save it. But yeah, it does come with this little thing here if you want to be able to wrap this around the key there so you can keep that with you. So yeah, this is a pretty nice setup for the GoPro.